Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to withdraw from Trust Wallet to bank. Let's get started. First, open Trust Wallet and go to main homepage where you see options like send, receive, buy, and sell. Then tap on the sell option and select the cryptocurrency you want to convert into cash. Enter the amount you want to sell, then the value will be shown in your wallet balance. Trust Wallet does not directly send money to a bank. You need to send your crypto to a centralized exchange like Binance or Coinbase. After that, copy your deposit address from the exchange and send your crypto from Trust Wallet to that address. Once it arrives, sell your crypto into your local currency like USD, Euro. Then go to the withdraw section, enter your details, and confirm the transactions. Don't forget to double check wallet address before sending crypto to avoid losing funds. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.